Hello. I'll be going fishing today and it's gonna be so much fun. Hopefully I'll catch the catfish and the tiger fish. So that's what I look forward to. Hello. I did the fishing and well, it was really frustrating and so it was a lot different than I'm used to and in the US, and so it's a lot different. And here's a picture of the fishing rod that I used today compared to ones I use, and so it's kind of different and I have a very difficult time to be flexible about it. And my guide was able to demonstrate and catch the fish. Here's a good demonstration. Yeah. And yeah, but my dad told me that he was proud of me of actually getting the idea of using the rod and everything, so that was worth it. And I'm a little bit upset, but I'm not as upset I would be. But it was worth the day, and so hopefully tomorrow I can do better and actually catch a fish. And so can't wait. And so and here's a few pictures of me fishing that my dad took for me. So
all the way towards the edge.
Close it. Close it.
yeah, so that's all I wanted to say. And well, actually, and never mind. Okay, bye.